In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove WooCommerce checkout fields. If you're looking to simplify your checkout process by getting rid of unnecessary fields, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through each step of this process in a clear and detailed manner, ensuring you have a smooth experience modifying your WooCommerce checkout settings. Let's start by installing the Checkout Field Editor for WooCommerce. This plugin is an essential tool as it offers an intuitive interface for managing your checkout fields without any coding knowledge. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Checkout Field Editor for WooCommerce. Once the correct plugin appears, go ahead and click Install Now, and after installation, be sure to hit Activate. With this plugin activated, you're ready to modify your checkout fields. Now that we have the necessary tool, we'll move on to customizing the checkout process itself. In your WordPress dashboard, locate the WooCommerce option in your sidebar menu and click on Checkout Fields. You will be presented with a list of all the fields currently used in your checkout process. This setup allows you to easily manage the fields you'd like to keep or remove. Once you're inside the checkout fields, scroll through and identify any fields that might be redundant or unnecessary for your business model. This might include fields like company name or order notes, which not all businesses require. To delete a field, look for an option to remove or disable these fields. Removing will delete the field permanently, while disabling lets you hide it from the customer-facing side without deleting the data. Be cautious when removing fields, as you want to ensure that you don't accidentally take out any fields that are crucial for a successful transaction. If you're unsure about a field, consider testing your checkout process after making any changes to see how it affects the user experience. Striking the right balance between collecting necessary information and providing a hassle-free checkout experience can significantly improve customer satisfaction. Once you've made the desired changes by removing or disabling unnecessary fields, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save Changes button, typically located at the bottom of the page, and click it. This action will update your settings and apply them to your checkout page. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've learned how to effectively remove or disable unneeded checkout fields with ease. A simplified checkout process can lead to higher conversion rates, so it's a fantastic way to enhance the overall shopping experience for your customers. Thank you for watching, and happy selling with WooCommerce.